How do you vote? Vote in person at the polling station. Before an election, you'll get a poll card saying where your polling station is. Polling stations are open from 7 a.m. to 10 p.m. As long as you're in the queue by 10 p.m., you'll be allowed to vote. When you get to the polling station, tell the staff your name and address and they'll give you your ballot paper. Take your ballot paper into the polling booth. Remember to be respectful of other people so everyone can vote in secret. There'll be a pencil in the polling booth, but you're welcome to use your own pen if you like. Mark who you want to vote for on the ballot paper as it instructs. You may have 2 or more ballot papers for different elections. Don't worry if you make a mistake. Just ask a member of staff and they'll give you a new ballot paper. When you've completed your choices, put your ballot paper in the ballot box. If you're unsure about anything or need assistance, just ask a member of staff and they will be happy to explain the process before you vote. At the end of the day, the ballot box is taken away for all the votes to be counted. Your vote will be kept safe and secret and no one will find out who you voted for. And that's it. Voting by post. If you're going to be away from home on polling day or you are unable to get to the polling station for any reason, you can register to vote by post. To vote by post, you need to apply to your local council. You can download a form or you can ask for one to be sent to you. You'll need to give your signature and date of birth on your application form, and again when you vote. This is to confirm who you are. A postal vote pack will be sent to you before the election. Follow the instructions and put everything back in the free post pre-addressed envelope and post it to your council to be counted. If you forget to post your vote, it can be dropped off at a polling station on the day of the election. Remember, your postal vote needs to get back to your council by 10 p.m. on polling day if you want your vote to be counted in the election. If you can't get to the polling station on polling day, you can ask someone you trust to vote on your behalf. This is called voting by proxy, and your trusted person is often called your proxy. To vote by proxy, you need to apply to your council. You can download an application form or you can ask for this to be sent to you. You'll need to tell your trusted person who you'd like to vote for. On polling day, they need to go to your polling station to vote. This may be different to where they go to vote. They need to tell the polling station staff your name and also their own name, and then they follow the normal process to vote at a polling station. If your trusted person can't get to the polling station, they can apply to vote by post. This is called postal proxy. Learn more about how to cast your vote at electoralcommission.org.uk/learning.